Now a Taylor series solution for this will look something like f of t equals f of, now we're looking at x equals 0, so 0 plus f primed at 0 times t plus f double primed at 0 divided by 2 factorial times t squared plus f triple primed at 0 divided by 3 factorial t cubed. That's as far as we need to go, up to and including the term in t cubed. Now, we've got the original thing here. We're going to differentiate this and substitute in some values to find what f primed, f double primed, and f triple primed are at 0. So when x is 0, when t is 0, sorry, x is 0. So now if we differentiate again, we know dx by dt is a half. We're going to sort of substitute those values into this original one and see what we get. So in the original, we get f double primed at 0, add x, add cosine of x equals 0. So that tells us that and now we differentiate the original equation to get the third derivative with respect to t, add dx by dt, add it's minus sine x dx by dt equals 0. We know that dx by dt at this value is a half, so we get a half, and sine of x is going to be 0, sine of 0 is 0, so we get a half. So the third derivative of x with respect to t equals minus a half, and that should be enough to now just chuck the numbers in to the original blue equation, which I'm now doing blue. So we end up with f of t equals f of 0, which we know from the original is 0, plus f primed at 0 times t, which again from the original information is a half, so half times t, plus f double primed, which we know from here is minus 1, divided by 2 factorial, so minus a half t squared. And finally this last bit, the third derivative, which we know is minus a half, divided by 3 factorial, which is minus 1/12, then t cubed, so minus 1/12 t cubed, and that should be the answer.